Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a clear chord. Pick any two distinct points on the circumference and draw the straight line connecting them. Once done, set your compass to more than half the chord length, and from each chord end point, draw arcs that intersect above and below the chord. Make sure to keep the compass width constant. This creates two intersection points that define the perpendicular bisector. You're now ready to draw that bisector with a straight edge and proceed to the next chord. Now choose a second chord that is not parallel to the first and repeat the equal arc procedure. From each endpoint, draw arcs with the same compass width so they intersect on both sides. Then use your straight edge to join those intersection points, forming the second perpendicular bisector. Once drawn, you will see the two bisectors cross. Make sure your lines are long enough to cross clearly. The crossing point is geometrically the center of the circle. If lines barely meet, extend them a bit and reevaluate. Mark the intersection of the two perpendicular bisectors. This is your center. To verify, place the compass point on that mark, measure to the circumference, and swing a full circle. The arc should align with the original boundary. Once confirmed, draw radii to several points. They must be equal. If radii differ or bisectors don't meet cleanly, make sure chords were distinct and arcs precise. Then redraw bisectors with a slightly larger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.